If you could build a tree house, what would it look like? What would you do if you woke up and it was snowing in summer? Can you name 3 things you can balance on your head? If you could have any animal superpower, which one would you choose? What's the best thing about your best friend? If you could be any age for one day, what age would you pick? Can you list 4 things you can find in a backpack? If you could invent a new toy, what would it be? What's the funniest dream you've ever had? If you could go on a treasure hunt, where would you want to search?